Hey, Russ Johns here. This is Reviewed by Russ, where we innovate, motivate, and automate your life. We take brief episodes for the mind and explain technology. We make the complicated simple. We take your technology, break it down in its simplest format, and explain how it operates. If you want an explanation, drop me a line at russ@russjohns.com. Subject line, Reviewed by Russ. You enjoy the day, and remember, dare to share. Hey everyone, thanks for being here. It's Russ Johns, and I have a friend and a client, Carrie Broussard, who is working on her podcasting skills. She does Cinderella CEO and the Fairy God Mentor, and her podcast is awesome. So if you get a chance, check it out. It'll be available. I'll be sharing that on Facebook and Twitter and all the social streams. And today I wanted to walk through how to quickly record on GarageBand and get it out and launched into a file format that she can use for her podcast. So what you want to do is you want to launch your session in GarageBand so you can actually have a track that's available. And then once you record that track, and I'm not sure if this is going to record since we're doing both, but it looks like we're going to record something. So whatever track we're going to record, you have that recording, you have the track going, and then at some point in time you can save that track. So you're going to stop the track, play it back, and so you can go back here. And play the so that's playing. Now, in order to share this, you go up to Share, Export Song to Disk. And what that's going to do is create an MP3. You can create an AAC, MP3, or an AIFF file. So that will allow you to save it in the lowest quality, 64K, 128, which is typically web-based. It's pretty close to web-based audio quality. A little higher quality. Let's start with a little higher quality. And we're just going to save it to our desktop for right now. And we're going to say, we are going to call this Carrie Cinderella CEO MP3, and we're going to export that, and then let's just minimize GarageBand, and then here we go. And that's how you get audio in and out of GarageBand. Now I want to also mention while we're here, in GarageBand, in order to select the inputs, some of the things you have, you want to go in and your tracks. Let's see. Track. Where's preferences? There it is. Sorry. Audio MIDI. Output device. You can have it built in, Pro Tools, iTrack Solo. And if your mic is plugged in there, your mic is plugged in, it'll show up. So that's how you decide what gets sent to this track, is through the preferences. So there again, GarageBand preferences, and that's why I always get hooked up. Output and input devices. So there you go. Thanks for this, and this is reviewed by Russ. Enjoy. Hey, thanks for joining Reviewed by Russ. This is your host, Russ Johns, where we take the complicated and make it simple. We assist you to innovate, motivate, and automate your life with technology. If you have any questions or technology you want a better understanding about, drop me a line, russ@russjohns.com, and use the subject line, Reviewed by Russ. And always remember, enjoy the day and dare to share.